Hi and welcome back. In this video, I will show you a simple technique in Power Query to get the total hours work in a time format data. So the challenge here is we are dealing on time format and not on a date time format, which is a lot easier than the time format. And as you can see here, we have the data, we have the employee name and the respective in and out. Now, in another sheet, time record sheet, you can see here the finished product and with number of hours column. So let's do this in another worksheet. So we need to load this data into the Power Query by going to the data from table range. Okay. So let's choose this in and out and format it into a time. So choose in and then out, right click, and then choose the change type and the time and replace current, and that's okay. Now let's load it. Go to the home tab, close and load to, and create connection for that, and okay. Now let's duplicate this table. Right click again and duplicate. So rename this as time record, and then let's try first the subtract operator. So let's choose out first, the out column, and then the in, and then choose add column here, and under the time choose subtract. So as you can see here, it is the normal case. If the out is greater than the in, it's positive, but if it's not, if in the night shift it's negative, and that's wrong. So let's remove this step here. It's not gonna work to all of this, so remove that, and let's add a custom column for that. Add custom column and then rename that as number of hours. And then we're gonna write if statement for that. So if the out time is greater than the in, so if it's greater than the in, that's the normal case, the morning shift, then we're gonna apply the subtract operation. So that's the out less the in. That's the normal. Else, if it's not the case, if the out is less than the in, then we're gonna put out again less the in. But in this case, we're gonna add 24 hours using the hash time formula, and then under that put 24 hours, comma, 0 minutes, comma, 0 seconds, and that's it. So we need a number format for that. So we're going to wrap each of the answers, true or false answer, into a number. That from formula, wrap it up, and also on another one, number that from, and close it, and that's it. Now that will be part of a day, a portion of a day, which is equal to 1. So we need hours for that, so both of it multiplied by 24, which is the 24 hours, and that's okay. Click OK, and that's it. Now you can see here the number of hours, but let's go back again and then just put rounding numbers for that using the number that round. So number that round, and then under that, that's our number, the if statement, comma, let's put 2 for 2 decimal places or whatever the number you want. Then put rounding mode up, but that is optional so that the number will be rounded off because we use the round formula. That's okay. Click OK. And that's it. It's already formatted. Now go to the Home tab, close and load to, and into table, and new worksheet, and OK. So that's it. Let's just check it if we have another employee age. So that's it. Now let's try the night shift. If it is 8 p.m. and then the out will be around 2:48 a.m. So that's it. And then go to time record sheet, go to data and refresh all, and that's it. The number of hours will be reflected in the summary. So that's it. I'm finished here. I'm done. If you like this video, you can subscribe in my channel. Click the subscribe button and see you next time, and thanks.